Welcome to Youthful Radiance, right here in Spirit Lake in the Professional Building on Highway 71. And we have Dr. Jeffrey Diecksenbach here with us today from the Northwest Iowa Surgeons. And you are one of the medical directors, one of several here for Youthful Radiance.
That's correct. One of 5 surgeons who are collectively medical directors here at Youthful Radiance in Spirit Lake, Iowa. We're very excited about some of the new procedures we're offering here to the community. Along with state-of-the-art skin laser treatments as well as Botox and fillers, we are also offering office-based liposuction utilizing Vaser Liposelection.
And Vaser Lipo is kind of what we're talking about here today, Doctor. And tell us a little bit about, in the procedure, what sort of, because we can do it right here in the Youthful Radiance clinic, what kind of anesthesia goes through for that?
Well, the good thing about office-based liposuction is done under tumescent anesthetic. There's really no general anesthesia. Patients recover quickly from this type of anesthetic. It essentially involves an injection or an infusion of a dilute numbing medication throughout the fatty areas that they wish to be treated. When patients show up, they're given a very light anxiolytic medication such as Xanax, as well as a mild pain pill. Once they're about 4 martinis into it from those medications, then they're typically ready to go.
Well, Doctor, we actually have a Vaser Lipo right here behind us that we can look at, and maybe you can tell us a little bit about this piece of machinery.
Sure. It's the Vaser Liposelection instrumentation is some of the newest and most advanced office-based liposuction device around. Once patients arrive and they're ready for their liposuction, they're placed on the procedure table here in the office. The first part of the procedure involves an injection or infusion of the numbing medication. This is a dilute numbing medication which is infused through very small 2 to 3 millimeter incisions. Once the fatty areas that they want to be treated are sufficiently anesthetized, then the Vaser probes are placed through those same incisions. The Vaser probes vibrate at approximately thousands of times per second, which essentially breaks the fat free from the connective tissue, nerves, and blood vessels, leaving those behind. That provides quicker recovery, less bruising, and better skin retraction once the fat is gone. Once the fat is essentially emulsified, then suction cannulas are placed back in those same incisions and used to remove the emulsified fat, which then gets collected in the collection chambers, and patients are always happy to see that fat leaving their body forever.
Yeah, and as a patient of yours that has actually done the Vaser Lipo procedure, you know, those areas that, whether it's in your abdomen and your love handles, on your back, there are areas that no matter how hard you exercise, sometimes the older you get, those areas are tougher to get rid of through exercise, and this takes those inches away.
That's right. Those are the best patients, are the ones that, despite diet and exercise, just have those problem areas that won't go away. And this essentially removes that fat forever, assuming you continue with your diet and exercise. The recovery is quite good. Patients are a little sore for the first couple days. That's typically treated with just a mild pain medication or Tylenol. By the 3rd day after surgery, the recovery is very quick. In fact, we've had many patients return back to work 3 days after the procedure.
So, Doctor, if people have some questions about Vaser Lipo or the many laser-based procedures done here at Youthful Radiance, they call you for a consultation here?
That's right. They can call here at Youthful Radiance at 336-1400 to have a complimentary consultation in regards to most of the procedures we do here. We're available, and we can usually fit you in a timely manner, and I think you'd be happy with what we have to offer.
Stop on in to Youthful Radiance. We are located at the Professional Building right next to Schwartz Chiropractic in Spirit Lake. Our phone number is 712-336-1400. And you can also catch us on the web at www.yradiance.com. We'd love to see you. We'd love to have you call. We'd love to have you stop in. I know that we can keep you looking youthful and radiant.